Well, howdy, partner. Pour yourself something strong, 'cause today we're wrangling the meanest critter in all of Algebra County, the quadratic equation. Don't let the fancy name spook you. It's just an equation with an attitude problem. Here's the deal. An equation is quadratic when the highest, proudest power of x is a 2. That little floating 2 up top, the square, that's the boss. As long as the biggest exponent in the room is a 2, you got yourself a quadratic. Not a 3, not a 47, a 2. Anything bigger strutting around, and it ain't a quadratic no more. It's a whole different animal. We dress 'em up nice and proper in what we call standard form. It goes like this. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. 3 coefficients. 3 saloon regulars. Let me introduce them. A, the number riding on the x squared, the big boss, the one packing the most heat. B, the number on the plain ol' x, the middle child. C, the lonesome number sitting by itself at the bar with no x to keep it company. We call him the constant, on account of he never changes. Kinda like my ex-wife's opinion of me. Now here's the one rule you do not break. Ever. A cannot be 0. If A is 0, that x squared term vanishes faster than free whiskey, and your quadratic gets demoted to a sad little straight line. B and C are allowed to be 0. They can sleep it off. But A, never. A keeps his boots on. All right, enough jawing. Let's go reading brands. I point out an equation. You tell me A, B, and C. Watch close. Round 1, the easy ones. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. That gives us A equals 1, B equals -5, C equals 6. See that lonely x squared with nothing in front? That ain't A equals 0, partner. A naked x squared means A equals 1. There's an invisible one there, shy as a church mouse. And mind the minus sign. That minus 5x means B is -5. The sign rides along with the number. Always. Next one. 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals 0. So A equals 2, B equals 3, C equals -2. And again. 7x squared plus x minus 9 equals 0. A equals 7, B equals 1, C equals -9. That middle term's just a plain x. Same deal as before. A naked x means B equals 1. Round 2. When somebody's missing from the bar. B and C are allowed to skip town. When they do, just call them 0. 3x squared minus 12 equals 0. A equals 3, B equals 0, C equals -12. No x term anywhere? Then B equals 0. The middle child ran off. X squared plus 7x equals 0. A equals 1, B equals 7, C equals 0. No lonesome number at the end? Then C equals 0. Nobody's nursing a drink tonight. 9x squared equals 0. A equals 9, B equals 0, C equals 0. Both gone. Just A and his x squared, drinking alone. Still a perfectly legal quadratic. Round 3. The negative no-good varmints. -x squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 0. That gives A equals -1, B equals 4, C equals -1. That minus sign on the front belongs to A. A lone negative x squared means A equals -1, not 1. Don't let it sneak past you. Round 4. The sneaky ones in disguise. This is where greenhorns get throwed off their horse. Sometimes a quadratic shows up to the saloon all messy, ain't even in standard form yet. Your job, shove everything to one side so it equals 0. Then read the brands. Take 5x squared equals 2x minus 8. Can't read ABC yet. It ain't equal to 0. So we drag that 2x minus 8 across the equal sign, flipping every sign as it crosses, 'cause everything changes its mind when it moves to the other side of the bar. Now it reads 5x squared minus 2x plus 8 equals 0. So A equals 5, B equals negative 2, C equals 8. Round 5. The impostors. Spit on the floor for these. Not everything strutting around with an X in it is a quadratic. 2 ways to be a fraud. 3x plus 7 equals 0. Nope. Where's the x squared? No square, no quadratic. That's just a line, partner. X cubed plus x squared minus 1 equals 0. Nope. That x cubed outranks the square. Too big for this town. The test is dead simple. The highest power of x has got to be exactly 2. No more, no less. Bigger ain't allowed. Smaller ain't quadratic. And that, partner, is the whole of it. A quadratic's just ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. 3 coefficients with sign and all. And A never sleeping on the job. Read the brand, write down A, B, and C, and you're halfway to roping the answer. Now, before I let you ride off, let's see if any of it's stuck. Your turn, Greenhorn. Figure out A, B, and C for each of these. Rearrange first if you need to. Don't forget to pause between tasks. Number 1. 4x squared minus 9x plus 2 equals 0. Number 2. X squared plus 6x equals 0. Number 3. Negative 2x squared plus 5 equals 0. Number 4. 3x squared equals 7x. Number 5. 6 minus x squared equals 4x. Careful now, this one needs rearranging. And number 6, a trap question. Is 8x minus 3 equals 0 a quadratic? And why or why not? Take your time, partner. I'll be at the bar.